Hi, I'm Dr. Sarah McPeck, and as most of you already know, my husband and I own Tier 1 Veterinary Medical Center. We together chose to enter emergency veterinary medicine. Emergency medicine is tough. It's not pretty. We work hard every single day to provide the best care we possibly can for every patient that walks through our door. When you come to us in a time of tragedy or in a time of worry, you will ask us, what would we do to fix your pet? We pride ourselves in providing the gold standard veterinary medical care. We will give you an estimate of that care. That will be our best efforts to provide the best chance for your pet for a good outcome. That estimate isn't always obtainable by everybody, and that's okay. We understand that. What we need you to do in that situation is open a dialogue with us and discuss what is obtainable, where can we care for your pet and meet your needs as well. What we do not accept is we do not accept being belittled, we do not accept being cursed at, and we do not accept blind rage on the internet. Recently, one of our own, Miranda, was the victim of an online rant, unjustifiably. And Miranda, I'm so sorry that you have had to bear the brunt of this online tirade. Sean and I apologize to you immensely.
Thank you both so much. I wasn't even on shift that day. I never came in contact with the owner or the pet, so I'm not sure where this came from, and I'm sure whoever was working with him was just trying their best to figure out the best scenario for the pet. So I want to thank you both again for all the support.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sean McPeck. I am the owner and CEO of Tier 1 Veterinary Medical Center. I want to make it abundantly clear, I will not tolerate online bullying, especially when the online bullying is creating a completely false narrative. So you are entitled to your own feelings. You're not entitled to your own facts. And no point do we ever keep a patient hostage. That is the most ridiculous thing I have ever heard. If a patient is not with their owner, the patient is receiving treatment or receiving care and being looked after by veterinary professionals. If you want to attack me as the face of Tier 1, fine, I can take it. If you want to say that an interaction with me was something that was absolutely horrible, even though I was not there that day, I did not provide any services to you directly, I was not even a doctor on shift that day. I am happy to stand in front of the line of fire to support my technicians and support my doctors. However, I will not tolerate anyone attacking technicians, my employees, my doctors, my client service representatives, or any veterinary technicians within the state of Alaska, any veterinary personnel within the state of Alaska. I draw the line when we have someone who is trashing men and women who choose to wear the uniform, law enforcement and military service members. It's absolutely reprehensible that someone would sling racial slurs to try to gain support for their false claims. Not in Alaska, and not in my community will I tolerate individuals casting racial slurs. Alaskans have a rich history of inclusiveness from all walks of life. All races, all cultures have come together in Alaska's history just to survive in many times, but coming together to create a better future for generations to come. You mentioned in your post that I should go back to Afghanistan. Gladly. I will happily serve my country for a fourth tour to Afghanistan, and I will continue to serve this community in any capacity that I can.